All right, this is a session recap for the 17th day of January. This morning we watched as the dollar kept pushing up, making higher highs, but we have divergence in the market, and that means this could be over right here. It may go up a little higher and be over up there, but right now, it's just not moving and everybody's tentative because all traders know we have divergence, all right? Dumb money doesn't know that, but professional traders all know this is about to end. Is this the end? Is it up here? Nobody knows, but a big boy will make that decision. So we're still going with a dollar positive because the histograms are going up and we're zero line here or above the zero line. So we're going with dollar positive, but we know that it may be over and this may be the end of it right here. And you can see euro dollar as once again it broke down and it is coming up. So it appears that it's over. All right. So we had a break and a hook and another no-go to the downside. We were going to try to trade this first time this year. And, that's why I don't like this currency. I just don't like it at all. And anyway, the target is down here at 108.14. And let me pull the ATR up here. Oh, I did that scan, so it's got to send me a pin. I gotta wait for the pin to come in. Give me just a second. Come on, baby. Where are you? One 16354. All right. ATR, euro dollar is 71 pips. Target is at 108.14. All right. Over to pound dollar. All right. Pound dollar, it's also bouncing. All right. So what is the initial information? We're done on the year. All right. Close and reverse the upside, flag pattern to the upside. MACD moving towards the histogram upside. A, B, C before. A, B could be a C down to there. True, Chris? So what are we doing? We're waiting. We're waiting. We can't make trades unless we know that we know that we know. Now, we're below the zero line break here. So we're officially a seller in a down channel. So we're not a buyer yet. All right. Not yet. All right. So the target down is at 2606 on pound dollar. And let me make sure this stays up here. Hold on. And pound dollar has an ATR of 92 pips. All right. Over to dollar Swissy, and it just missed target by maybe 2 pips right there. That's it. And there's a close and reverse. It's most likely over. The target was at 86.88, and dollar Swissy has an 80 pip ATR. 80 pip ATR on dollar Swissy and 71 on euro dollar. Which one is the better currency to trade? Dollar Swissy. All right. Dollar yen up to almost to the pip to the target. Just missed it because it hit the channel before that. All right, target is at 144.60 and dollar yen is 149 pip ATR. Aussie dollar right down to its ATR, no problem whatsoever. And Aussie dollar has a 63 pip. Notice Aussie New Zealand's 44 pips and Aussie Swissy are 49. So we can't trade either of those. We don't even have 55 pips to start with. All right. So over to euro yen, should be almost a target. We are. Steven's in this trade, holding very well. Nice job, Steven. Target is at 161.30 and he's holding for 161.54. And euro yen has 131 pip ATR. Great trade, Steven. Pound yen easily went to target plus a little extra all the way up to the day chart top, 618 above it. That's where you're holding if you're in it. Pound yen is 165 pip ATR. MACD says hold. All right. New Zealand dollar. All right. Right down to its target. at the bottom of the channel, nothing to do here. It hit it already. Low ATR New Zealand dollar, just 56 pips is all. Aussie yen. All right, we wanted to trade this all morning on this break hook and go. It's now got to go. We'll see if traders are in it. We're looking for a target at 97.44 up there. Aussie yen has a 79 pip ATR. Can't trade euro pound either because euro pound only has a 33 pip ATR. It's horrible right now. Euro Aussie right up to the channel. Nothing to do. We're at the top here. You'll got to have a pullback. There's no way. It's an unsustainable move at the top. No way to trade it. All right, and Euro Aussie has an ATR of 117 pips a day. Pound Aussie right up to its target, then up to the top of the channel, and they'll most likely take out that day chart top with a wick. And the reason it'll be a wick is there will be tons of buy limits, stops. Sell limits sitting on that thing. And as soon as it hits it, it'll come off of it because there'll be tons and tons of sell limits sitting up there. All right, Pound Aussie has an ATR of 127 pips. Euro New Zealand to the pip to its ATR, no problem. And then a few more. And Euro New Zealand has an ATR of 115 pips a day. Pound New Zealand, right up to its ATR, plus another 65 or 70 right there. It'll probably take out the 1270 by the day's end here. MACD tells you if you're in it, stay in it. Pound New Zealand got 129 pip ATR. New Zealand yen, all right, New Zealand yen. Finally, there we go. It's breaking out of there. We want to trade this all morning. We'll see if traders are in this one also. AJ New Zealand yen target is at 90.84 up there, which is the 1,000 above the ATR. And New Zealand yen has an ATR of 65 pips. All right. Last one is Pound Swissy, and Pound Swissy went to target easily, plus an extra 45 or so. Look for up in this area tonight. Pound Swissy has an ATR of 75 pips. All right. All right. Back over there to that New Zealand yen. Anybody in New Zealand yen on this breakout? Anybody in there? Anybody? Nobody's in that one. How about Aussie yen? Anybody in Aussie yen? Robert is. Yep. Oh, he's in both. Okay. Frank's in. Okay. Anybody else? Got two traders in Aussie yen. Daniel's in. AJ. Okay. So this is a live trade this morning. So we'll put a little note on here for tomorrow. Live trade up. And there we go. All right. There we go. Exited the wait into the buy. There you go, Daniel. All right. We'll see how it does. All right. I'm going to take that AJ too myself. All right. I'm an AJ also. All right. Anybody got any questions here?